2017 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, passenger airbag, MP3 player, security system, power door locks, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.